Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shake. I do vlogs, lifestyle, YouTube videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. So guys, it is Saturday, and as you see from the title, this video, don't know how long this video is gonna be because I don't know how much of this I'm gonna get to vlog. So yeah, or even if this video is gonna actually come out. So today I will be processing my hair actually in a few minutes, thinking about 30 minutes from now. So yes, I have my hair to process, so I'm gonna process my hair, and it's after 6 months being natural. So yes, I haven't processed my hair in 6 months or more. Yeah, I think the last time I processed my hair was in September, so October, November, December, January, February, March. So it's 6 months. And I want to show you guys that the before. So hard, but yeah. Yes, so this is the before. As you can see, the roots are quite natural. You see that? Y'all see that, right? So yes, we are going back to processed hair. So yes, come with me for my little transformation. Yeah. I'm gonna show you back on my hair too. So that's that. So yes. Alright, so I know like when I just creamed my hair, I had to use like 2 of the cream. And I think it's gonna probably have to be the same because it's been natural for so long. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the cream I use, the relaxer I use. So yes. Alright, so this is it. It's the Dark and Lovely Triple Nourish Silken Relaxer. It helps preserve signs of healthy hair, moisture, strength, softness, shine, body. So yes, that's what it looks like. It comes with, where is the thing that it comes with? I don't remember what I'm coming here, but yeah, that's what it looks like. And this is the regular, because I cannot find, for the life of me, I cannot find the one that is a strong one, because I have another one that's the strength would be, I don't remember what we call, but it's stronger than this. I can't find it, so yeah, that's the one we use. So yeah, I'm gonna get their other stuff together, like the blow dryer and this up there, and get the area ready. So yes, I was saying that she comes to my home to do it, so I need to get like everything ready, all the things ready and all of that. So when she comes, she'll just start, and I have an area for her to stay and all of that. So I always do it on the veranda. So I'm gonna get things ready, fix up the place, put on something else, get my towel and everything, just put on everything so that I'm not have to move up and down whenever she gets here. And I have half an hour to do that. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. So I'm washing my combs. So since my hair will be washed, I need clean combs. So I'm washing them all. So I have clean stuff. I'm gonna get it done. Alright guys, so this is it. I was expecting it to be short because it did get damaged, so she had to cut off the ends. So yeah, this is the length I'm working with right now. So this one looks so right. And what's happening with my office here? So yes, this is it. Back to my cream here. Yeah, my hair feels light again. It's kind of still thin, you know, but yeah. So yes, that is that. This is now my hair. I'm gonna work on it for it to get thicker as well as get longer. So we're back on the relaxed hair journey. So y'all coming with me or y'all staying? I think y'all should come with me. So yes, that's that. Yeah, back to shorts. It's even shorter than when I had just like cream it. But yes, that's gonna be it for today's video. Going back to relaxed hair after 6 months. So yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a new video. And comment something down below. Bye guys.